A major construction milestone has been reached as part of Upgrade SEA's C Concourse Expansion project. A 225-foot tall steel tower crane has served its purpose. This crane, affectionately known to the teams as Crane Griffey Jr, helped to demolish old structures while constructing major elements of the new 4-story upgrade. The crane's jib, a horizontal beam that supports the load, is roughly half of the distance of former Seattle Mariner Ken Griffey Jr.'s notable home runs at 241 feet long. So, what did we do with a structure that big? We climbed it. But first, we had to get a lift to the ladder. Once at the ladder, get ready to climb 210 rungs to the operator's cabin. The 225-foot vertical tower is made up of 7 sections, and the crane is powered by 3 Phase 480 electric volts. At the top, we met with crane operator Mike Key. Mike has many things to keep in mind as he manipulates the rotation of the jib and the cables that lift the materials. Climbing down such a large structure puts a complicated project like the C Concourse Expansion into perspective. Dismantling the tower crane was no small feat and arguably more complicated than the construction itself. As this crane comes down, we can celebrate the huge technical achievement at 60% completion of this project and look forward to this modernization and expansion of C Concourse. Goodbye, SEA Tower Crane. Hello, bright new C Concourse.